Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the master window switch or the passenger side window switch on Hyundai Sonata. Okay, this one right there. This is the generation from 2005-6 to 2010. Stay with us guys, we have quite a few videos, says this is a parts car and we're rebuilding a few Sonatas now. First we'll need to remove, okay, a few. You can see a few leads there. Okay, one, because there is hidden screw underneath it. One over there. Okay, there is one in that handle. Whoop, this one flew away. And the one on top. Okay, perfect. Next we need to get a Phillips screwdriver guys, and we'll need to remove that screw there. Okay, then we'll need to remove the screw under the door handle here. One underneath there. Okay, this one was really tight, and I have the feeling that we'll need to pull that plastic piece out as well. So we'll see about this one in a second. Okay, and those two. We will also need to remove that plastic piece there for the mirror. But before that we have one more screw underneath. Two of them actually. Okay, almost out. Those cars are super easy to work on for most things. We have a video if you have a 3.3 engine on our second channel, World Mechanics, what to look for the timing chain and potential problems with Hyundai Sonata that we fixed in the past. Okay, so this is a little bit stuck now somehow. Okay, you're just stuck on the front a little bit. Okay, there is a clip here and we'll need to remove that one as well. Okay, like that. Next we need to get the prying tool and we need to start prying the door. There is clips and some of those clips are breakable. Things fell off the door too, so we'll see what's broken inside. Then you need to lift it up because it's laying on the window rail. Okay, like that. And we'll need to disconnect the wires here. Okay, how you do for those, like here you push in and pull out. Okay, like that. You have more there. Okay, this is for the master window switch. And this is for the mirror switch there. So let us show you where the clips are now. Okay, you can see one here, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6 clips. One of them came out, but you can remove them and install them on the door panel. Okay, so we need a short screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver now. And there is a hard to reach screw there. The funny thing about it is, like, if you cannot reach, there is one screw here and one there. You can remove all those Phillips screws around. Okay, I'm going to show you, and this way you'll be able guys to remove the whole assembly and get it out, because otherwise it's almost impossible to get two screws right here. So we'll do the long ways, but you have the option to do it the other way as well. Okay, so we'll use the drill, guys, because there is quite a few screws and we just don't want to waste too much time taking those off. Okay, you can see no time. This one probably we'll have to do by hand with the screwdriver. Okay, we will collect all the screws so we don't lose anything. There is one more there in the middle that we removed with a regular screwdriver, and one on top under that plastic piece there. Okay, like that. Okay, we'll be able to just pull the whole handle with the switches out of there. Now that way we can reach everything easy. Okay, you can see these screws were the ones that were hard to reach. This one here and the one over there. Okay, so first we'll need to remove these four. Okay, right here. Okay, one of them is still holding towards the back there a little bit. And one towards here. Okay, and the window switch is out of there now. So that's how you guys remove the window switch, master window switch on Hyundai Sonata. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.